Hello! Today, we will learn how to participate in the forums of our Blackboard courses. We go to the platform, click on the Courses tab, and enter the corresponding course. Then, we access the appropriate week to participate in the forum. We click on the forum in which we want to participate. Once inside, review the forum instructions and guidelines. Then, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find the option Write a Post. There, you can either type your response or upload a document. When your post is ready, click Publish. After that, you can scroll through the page to view posts from your instructor and classmates. If you want to reply to a post, click the Reply option below it and write your response.